Welcome back to my channel, where we take a deep analytical look at the vehicles shaping the future of mobility, work, and performance. Today we're turning our attention to the upcoming next-generation Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD, a truck that carries serious weight in the heavy-duty segment and plays a critical role for buyers who demand capability without compromise. This next evolution is not just about towing more or working harder. It's about how heavy-duty trucks are adapting to a future defined by advanced technology, intelligent systems, and evolving expectations around comfort, efficiency, and sustainability. From the outside, the next-generation Silverado 2500 HD is expected to build on Chevrolet's bold, muscular design language while refining it for a more modern and aerodynamic present. The proportions will remain unapologetically strong, but subtle changes in body surfacing, grille design, and lighting technology are likely to improve airflow and efficiency. Expect sharper LED lighting signatures, more precise detailing, and functional design elements that serve cooling, durability, and visibility. This truck needs to look tough because it is tough, but Chevrolet is also clearly moving toward a cleaner, more technical aesthetic that reflects the Silverado's increasing sophistication. Step inside, and the transformation becomes more apparent. The next-generation Silverado 2500 HD is expected to push far beyond the utilitarian interiors of the past. A larger, more integrated digital cockpit will likely take center stage, combining a high-resolution instrument cluster with an advanced infotainment display designed for clarity and ease of use even with gloves on. Materials are expected to see a noticeable upgrade, especially in higher trims with improved seat comfort, more durable yet refined surfaces, and thoughtful storage solutions designed for long work days. Chevrolet understands that heavy-duty buyers spend serious time in their trucks, and comfort is no longer optional. Technology will play a defining role in how this truck feels day to day. The infotainment system is expected to feature faster processing, enhanced navigation tailored for towing and trailering, and seamless smartphone integration. Voice control and AI-assisted features may help reduce distraction by allowing drivers to manage navigation, climate, and communication more naturally. Over-the-air software updates are increasingly important in this segment, and the next Silverado HD is likely to support ongoing improvements to vehicle systems without requiring frequent dealership visits. Under the hood, powertrain expectations remain grounded in capability and reliability. The Silverado 2500 HD will likely continue to offer proven gasoline and diesel options, refined for better efficiency, smoother power delivery, and improved emissions performance. While full electrification in the heavy-duty segment remains challenging, Chevrolet is expected to explore hybridization or advanced electrical systems that support onboard power, improved idle efficiency, and reduced fuel consumption under certain conditions. Performance here is not about speed, but about confident towing, predictable power under load, and long-term durability. Safety and driver assistance are areas where the next-generation Silverado 2500 HD is expected to make meaningful progress. Advanced camera systems, including multi-angle trailering views, will help drivers manage large loads with greater confidence. Enhanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, designed specifically for trailers, and forward collision alert systems are likely to become more refined and more widely available. These features are not about removing the driver from the equation, but about supporting them during demanding tasks and long hours on the road. Autonomous driving in the traditional sense may not be the focus here, but semi-autonomous features designed for highway driving and towing scenarios will continue to evolve. Chevrolet's approach emphasizes reliability and predictability, ensuring that assistance systems work consistently in real-world conditions. This is particularly important for a heavy-duty truck that may operate in challenging environments, from job sites to remote highways. Connectivity extends beyond the cab. The next Silverado 2500 HD is expected to integrate more deeply with fleet management systems, mobile apps, and cloud-based services. This allows owners and businesses to monitor vehicle health, schedule maintenance, track usage, and optimize efficiency. AI-driven diagnostics could play a role in predicting maintenance needs before problems arise, reducing downtime and improving overall ownership experience. When compared to the current generation Silverado 2500 HD, the next model represents a clear shift toward intelligence and integration. The existing truck is already highly capable, but the upcoming version is expected to feel more cohesive, more refined, and more future-ready. Won't just be incremental. They'll reflect a broader understanding of how heavy-duty trucks are used today, blending work, travel, and technology in ways that weren't possible a decade ago. Sustainability is becoming an increasingly important consideration, even in the heavy-duty space. Chevrolet is expected to focus on more efficient manufacturing processes, increased use of recyclable materials, and powertrain refinements that reduce environmental impact without sacrificing capability. This isn't about turning the Silverado 2500 HD into a lifestyle statement. It's about ensuring it remains viable and responsible in a changing regulatory and market landscape. So who is this truck really for? The next generation Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD is designed for professionals, contractors, fleet operators, and serious individual buyers who need real capability but also expect modern technology and comfort. It's for people who rely on their truck as a tool, an office, and sometimes a second home. Well, no. It's also for buyers who want a vehicle that feels relevant not just today, but 5 or 10 years down the road. In the end, the upcoming Silverado 2500 HD is not about reinventing what a heavy-duty truck is. It's about refining it for a future where intelligence, efficiency, and user experience matter just as much as raw strength. If Chevrolet delivers on these expectations, the next generation Silverado 2500 HD will continue to be a benchmark in the segment, proving that even the hardest working trucks can evolve with the times while staying true to their core purpose.